Breaking news, the first Galaxy S22 Ultra render images are here. Also in the leaks, we have the Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition which has entered in the mass production. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So guys, so far we have already know about the Galaxy S22 Ultra and most of the specification about the device has already been surfaced online. But today we have a new leak that is going to be coming from the popular leaker on leaks, which in the collaboration with Digiti has given us an information about the first ever look of the Galaxy S22 Ultra in the form of render images. Basically, these render images has been given us a pretty much good detail what the design of the device is going to be looking alike, and all the 360-degree video and the 3D models has been appeared online. Basically, if we look at the Galaxy S22 Ultra design, it's going to be looking like a boxier design. Particularly, this device is going to be resembling with the Galaxy Note series devices. It's a boxier look and it's going to be almost similar to the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra device on the front side. On the front of the device, we have the similar punch hole camera cutout as we have seen in the Galaxy series devices. The P-shaped bump that houses 4 cameras, a laser autofocus system and an LED flashlight. On leaks did not have any specification to share, but previous camera leaks have some details of the internals. According to the leak, the S22 Ultra will be expected to be coming with 108 megapixel of a sensor, and the main camera will be covered with a 12 megapixel of a main sensor, acting as an ultra wide. 3x telephoto and 10x periscopic zoom is also expected. Each of these cameras alleged to support optical image stabilization at standard, and Samsung is expected to throw 40 megapixel front-facing camera. The front of the display is also going to be coming with a 6.8 inch of a screen size, which will support the 120 Hz of LTPO display. Basically, this is going to be the similar feature we have already seen in the Galaxy S21 Ultra devices. The front will be hosting an in-display fingerprint scanner as well. One of the things which is more interesting is the presence of the S Pen inside the device. We have the S21 Ultra which support the S Pen, so the S22 Ultra will be coming with the same support for the S Pen, but this time around the leak shows that it's going to be housing the S Pen inside the device along with all the sensor. This was going to be the feature that was supposedly coming in the Note series devices, and having a device which is coming with same kind of a specification indicates that the S series will be coming with both the best functionality of the S series and the Note series devices, and the Note series devices is officially dead night. And based on that information, I think that the Note series will be officially dead. The other key information that has been coming is that S22 Ultra is housing to have a USB-C port, a speaker, a microphones, and that is addition to the S Pen. Moving up to the right side of the phone reveals a power button and a volume rocker. The top is home to another microphone and all the important SIM card tray, while the left side of the phone is bare and the frame material hasn't been detailed, but it's presumably to be have a carved out aluminum. As far as the inside, Samsung is expected to be coming with S22 Ultra with Snapdragon 898 in the US and homegrown Exynos 2200 with an AMD GPU in Europe and international market. A 5000 mAh of a battery is on the cards too. So honestly guys, having the S Pen support inside the device will be definitely good option to have. And guys, I am super excited about the Exynos processor which is coming in the S22 Ultra, which has some huge CPU gains. So for the design, I am still pretty much optimistic because we may see a different altogether design when the device is launched. And moving forward, we have some information regarding the affordable flagship which is coming in the month of October is the S21 FE, which mass production has been started. But now the problem that has been faced during the production is now being removed, and S20 FE is going to be coming with its full glory in the month of October, and probably October 20 will be the date when we are officially going to see the device pre-orders to started, and it's going to be the same date when we are going to see the launch of the device. This is going to be a trend that Samsung is going to be following for the couple of years, that one year they will be focusing on launching the device which has the S Pen, which has the S series device capabilities, and the next year we will see a Note device. Guys, these are my assumptions. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think? Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.